Yachaywasi is 100% Spanish immersion. We follow California standards for early education, so we do math, science, language. We just do it 100% Spanish immersion style. This means that we only speak Spanish within the classroom, and they're learning in a natural way, the same way they're learning their first language.
Ayer fue 27, después de 27 sigue, después 28.
I started teaching languages, and I had the opportunity to work at an English immersion school in Peru. And I've been doing this for a long time now, and I really enjoy it.
Fui maestra por aproximadamente 19 años en Guatemala. Trabajé con niños de preescolar. Siempre ha sido lo mío trabajar con niños, me gusta. Me enamoré del sistema que utilizan para enseñar, que es la inmersión. Winnie, tú no has hecho de este. Los niños van entrando al mundo de un segundo lenguaje sin darse cuenta y rápidamente aprenden. 2-3 semanas los niños están hablando español.
Anaranjado, verde, morado.
Todos caen en la cuenta que les gusta hablar un segundo idioma.
We have tried to create a home away from home for children. We know that parents are working really hard and children just need a place to be and they need to feel loved and cherished. And we believe that this helps a lot in the process of learning because children feel like the natural need to communicate and they'll do it in Spanish instinctively.
Por ejemplo, hay un niño que siempre nos decía I love you, y pasaron unas semanas y ya nos decía te quiero.
El papá de Isabelita. Vamos a ponerle manteca o pisco.
I'm from Denmark myself. My wife is from Colombia. And I do think it's a great part of the development also to be able to get by in other countries and cultures, without having to rely solely on English.
I grew up in a household that was bilingual with American Sign Language. So we always thought it was good to be able just to communicate to more people.
I think for us it's really important that Charlotte learns Spanish because we live in a multicultural world, in a multicultural society that speaks many languages. And when people speak a different language, they think in a different way. They see things from the other person's point of view a little bit more easily. It's really crucial not only for somebody to understand where people are coming from, but literally to speak their language, to see it from their eyes.
My daughter always comes home from school happy and energized. She's learning a lot. Math, reading, Spanish, everyday things, and it all interrelates. And I like how they put everything together so that everything is relevant to their lives.
I think just one thing we love most is that the staff are all super dedicated and friendly and cheerful and just have really made our daughter feel at home, and at the end of the day she wants to stay here. She doesn't want to come back with us. So that's how we know.
It's a great environment, it's safe, very loving, everyone's super helpful, super nice, and he's happy.
There's a certain intimacy and you can tell that the staff really cares about the children.
Me sigo sintiendo como en mi país porque puedo transmitirles parte de mi cultura. Es interesante, por ejemplo, a la hora de comer, ver cómo los niños comen nuestras comidas. Aparte de eso, puedo transmitirles nuestras costumbres, nuestras tradiciones, la forma en que trabajamos en familia, en que compartimos en familia en nuestro país.
Sí, gracias a Karina y Claudia y todas las maestras y los maestros de Yachaywasi.
Well, we would just like to say thank you, Yachaywasi, for everything. We're so happy that Maya's here and she'll be here for another year.
Gracias, Yachaywasi.
Thank you very much.